Introducing the Canon EOS SL3, a worthy successor to the popular EOS Rebel SL2. This model boasts several notable enhancements, including an upgraded processor that bolsters battery life and supports 4K video. The continuous eye detection autofocus is a welcome addition. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is an ideal choice for first-time DSLR users, budget-conscious photography enthusiasts, and families. Its affordability, user-friendly operations, and integrated guide system make it a standout choice. It's packed with features that allow users to delve into all facets of photography, learning fundamental concepts like aperture, shutter speed, and depth of field through its built-in help system. Yet it maintains the simplicity of a point-and-shoot camera. Vloggers will find the fully articulated touchscreen with side hinges a compelling feature, coupled with a 3.5mm microphone jack that ensures superior audio quality for videos. As the smallest and lightest DSLR on the market, as of April 2019, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3's compact dimensions, 4.82 by 3.65 by 2.75 inches, and weight, 15.84 ounces with battery and card, make it highly portable. Despite its lightness, the camera feels well balanced, even with the kit lens fully extended. Available in black or white, the SL3 features a comfortably deep grip suitable for diverse hand sizes. The responsive, fully functional touchscreen allows you to focus, scroll through menus, select settings, and review images effortlessly. Live View offers access to the dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF, ensuring your subject remains in focus. The external buttons are clearly labeled, and the menu system is logically organized and easy to navigate. Users can choose between a standard menu or Canon's guided display that provides text and visual aids for each setting. The SL3 performs admirably in high-contrast settings, balancing highlights and shadows effectively while preserving detail in darker subjects. Thumbs up.